Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new subscription unboxing for you. This is the Salty Owl. This is a subscription box that's filled with activities for families with children. So there might be a project in here, a game, a snack, all sorts of goodies. Really cute packaging too. So right on top is a little card. And then on the back we have a promo code, and then you could tag them in the social media. Very cool. So it says thank you on it for your support of my small business. Ooh, I see food. Oh, cool. Cracker Jacks. I loved Cracker Jacks as a kid, mainly the prize inside, let's not lie. But there's several of these, and that's the snack that was included. That's so awesome. I don't think my kids have had Cracker Jacks actually, so they will love that. So got 4 of those. Let's see what else we got. Eraser clay. Never heard of that, but it's really colorful. So can you really use it as an eraser? Or is it just like modeling clay? I'll have to look that up. So we have pink, yellow, purple, an orange, and a blue. They're really bright neon colors. And I think this box is geared towards older children like 9 and up, but I'm sure my kids will enjoy it too. Enjoy your family time. Let's see what this is. Ooh. So we have some modeling tools for our clay. Then we have some super cute pencils, neon colors. That's cute. Little packing thing. We also have, this might be our game. I like how they're individually wrapped. Opening little mini presents. Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza? That's funny. What is this? Social card game that's going to change your game night. Highly addictive, unique name. Simple party game. Race against each other to slap a match between cards and spoken word, but watch out, your mind will play tricks on you. Interesting. So yeah, this is geared towards 8 and up, but I think Jackson can handle that. That's cool. Excited for that. And then we have some paper here. That's probably our instructions. And this is, these look like little food picks. Does that have something to do with the clay maybe? Let's take a look at the papers. Welcome to January's Owl Box. Eraser clay is awesome. If you haven't had a chance to check out the YouTube channel, head over there and watch some techniques and tips. Cool. Definitely need to do that. I haven't worked much with clay of any sort. So this month you and your family will be making erasers with eraser clay, playing a wacky card game called Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, making some crispy potato chips. Ooh. And watching an exciting movie about the 1980 U.S. Olympic hockey team called Miracle. Haven't seen that one. Streaming on sites like Netflix, which we do have, so we can definitely watch that. And then munching on a classic snack, Cracker Jacks, or a peanut-free alternative if you've indicated food allergies. So that's nice. They do take that into consideration. Cool. So on the back here, it talks more about eraser clay. Yeah, and you can actually make your own erasers with it. That is neat. So they do link a video where you can make like a pencil topper and see some other kind of techniques. Interesting. Jackson is going to love that. So the little toothpicks they gave, that's made for scoring, which helps them stick together if you're making, adding different colors and things to it. And then you do have to bake it. Do not bake your pencil. It'll damage the pencil. So your pencil is great for making a mold. Oh, for your pencil toppers. Got it. Got it, got it. And then you heat your oven to 250. When you're done with your creation, you put them in there for 20 minutes based on the thickness. Seems pretty simple. Those look good. Here's a recipe. Just need a couple potatoes, oil, salt, and seasonings, and a mandolin slicer. And a little recipe for that. Continued instructions. I like that they included pictures. That's always helpful. Definitely going to try that. And then I guess they have a point system too, so you get 20 points for renewing and 15 points for reviewing your box on Cratejoy. You can start redeeming them for discounts only at 50 OWL points. Yahoo! That's so cute. I like this. This is interesting. And I will put their website below. I think you could see past boxes too, so I'll definitely put that below in case you want to check it out, but I think this is fun. Especially if you have older kids. We're kind of... I don't like the kids playing a lot of like video games and stuff. Don't let them have phones or iPads or anything like that. So family time, very important to me. And I think the kids will really, really like this. So as always, thank you so much for watching and make sure you check them out. Bye guys.